What's up, you guys? It's a really big day today, so honestly I'm not gonna say much. I'm just gonna tune y'all in, so stay tuned. We're gonna get this cold start for you guys. Hopefully will be the last time sounding like this. What's up, you guys? Right now I'm honestly just gonna make this really quick, guys, because I don't have a lot of time. Right now I'm gonna go drop off my car for the headers, the cold start, like you guys said in the last shot. It's gonna hopefully, it's gonna be the last cold start that sounds like that. And honestly, man, it's gonna be awesome. And I'm gonna go drop it off right now. And honestly, I am gonna shout out the mechanic as well, because they're a pretty good shop, and people like that, deserve to, get put out there and stuff, because they've done a very great job. And like, I've seen multiple people say that they've done a great job and the prices are good and everything. So I'm gonna tune y'all in on that. But I'll probably do that maybe after I get my car back. And then honestly, I'm gonna tune y'all in probably when I get my headers, because I'm dropping the car off right now. And I see y'all in the next shot. What's up, you guys? Like I said, I want to give a special shout out to the people that did my headers, my long tube headers. And my bad for the wind, guys, but I just want to tell you guys, I want to give a huge shout out, because honestly, around here, like I went to multiple places. It was a lot more than it was here. Like they have good prices, the quality here, they have good service, they got good people, they got friendly people, and they got a friendly service all around, honestly. And want to give a huge shout out, because I've been here multiple times. You guys can even check Google and all that. The Google reviews are great. And I've also gotten opinions from other people about this place, about this mechanic, and I've gotten nothing but like good ears about it. So I want to give a huge shout out and just show you guys where it's at. If you guys are over here in the Hammond area, over here, it's Prestige Auto Center, y'all. They do literally everything here, y'all. It's on Kennedy 6219. So go ahead and shop here, y'all. Because honestly, man, they're really good. Like I said, they're a lot better than most of the people, and they're a lot more honest. Because I kind of had a couple mechanics say a lot of fucked up stuff about the car that really wasn't wrong with it. And I came here to second check, and they told me exactly what was wrong with the car. And they even told me the other stuff that the other mechanic was saying was wrong with the car wasn't wrong with the car. So I kind of want, it's a real trustworthy mechanic as well. You feel me? With good prices, good service, friendly service, and everything. So big shout out to them. And my car sounds great. And I mean, I'm gonna keep coming here, and hope you guys come here too. And just a big shout out to them. But I'm gonna talk to them right now about why they think my car remote start wouldn't be working. So I'm gonna tune y'all in on that, and see y'all in the next shot. I'm gonna just do some little recording, guys. See how it sounds and stuff, Yeah, boy. Oh, I'm happy as hell, y'all. Damn, like I said, y'all, let me tune y'all in the next shot and see what's up, show you a little something. I tune y'all in. Oh, what's up, you guys? Just trying to tune y'all back in. And funny story. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys are just watching this, my Charger RT, I just got some long tube headers, and I had video of it coming out the shop like while I was there, you know, when it was just got done installed. There's some revs to it and everything. I even did a little pull after I left and all that. I had video and all that. Then I put my camera on the dashboard while I put my seatbelt on, and while I did that, it fell off the dashboard and like I caught it, but then I guess cause like the camera shook and stuff, it didn't save the video, so I'm so pissed. So my mechanic, my boy, man, if you see this, man, that's what happened. That's why I don't got the video of it being at the shop and revving it there and doing all that. Fucking sucks. I'm upset about it, but it's alright. That's what I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna show y'all a cold start, and I'm gonna show you guys some revs, and then hopefully you guys will like it. And honestly, I'm gonna do some pulls as well, but I'm probably gonna save that for the next video, so keep tuned in, because I want to do a couple revs, like maybe like outside of the car, have somebody else record, because I don't have nobody to record right now. So I'm gonna do everything right now, and then I'm gonna turn on the car, post up the camera, and then just enjoy, y'all. And excuse guys for the wind. Try not to. Yep. Let me try to put this camera on right, y'all. Let's see what I can do for y'all. Yeah, my bad for the weird angle, guys. But I'm about to go start it up. See what you guys think. So guys, yeah, and I didn't do it too much, just for the fact that I'm not you know, the most liked on my block right now because of the car. Well, I've been not the like even before I got all this done, and even one of the neighbors just came out. So yeah, I just tune y'all in the next shot, y'all. Alright, y'all. What's up, you guys? Just want to tune y'all in. I'm already home now, and I noticed this was loose. I mean, I put it back on right now. See if the car's still hot now. Cooled off because I left the hood open. Yeah, it had popped off, and I've been hearing this little weird ticky sound like when I turn off my my car, and it's basically kind of been like ever since I got the headers. So trying to see, maybe like that's what it was. I don't know if it was like a vacuum leak or something, you know, I don't know. But trying to tighten this right now, y'all. But yeah, I just want to tune y'all in what we're doing right now inside. We're about to make another video for the family channel inside after I'm done with this. If you guys are new, man, go ahead and subscribe to the family channel. Put the link down in the description. Go ahead, check that out for me, guys, and support. We'll appreciate our support. I also want to give another shout out to Prestige Auto for putting the headers, and I mean, it sounds great, man. But yeah, just keep spreading all that love, y'all, and I'll probably tune y'all in. Honestly, I'm probably gonna end the video right here. Actually, yeah. Then I'll tune y'all in with another video in a bit too, guys. So if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and join the family. Join this little journey of the I don't know, that was fucking but yeah, support the journey, y'all. My bad, I think my friend was on that bus for me. yeah, support the family and enjoy this build, guys, because there's gonna be a lot of more mods coming soon, and it's gonna be fun. So enjoy the ride, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace, y'all.